Okay, my friends, I'm back. Part two. Hillsborough Thugs, Hillsborough County, Florida. This is Deputy Min Yee. His video is important because it shows, that part when that Baez came up initially. Then see, Baez is already standing over here. It shows when Baez stood up, and then when he went back to the car and spent all that time there. See, already the maintenance guys coming. Their position. See, they already have this planned out. Here comes Baez.
Over here. There's court date pending. You know that, right?
No, we check in the court, and I guess the last thing that we had in the court was that you needed to put some money in the register by 5 o'clock.
There was no order. Okay? I have the paperwork already submitted in the court on Friday.
I'm going to show you, if you want to walk over here, I'm going to show you the order.
I don't want to walk anywhere.
I'm going to double check again, sir, but as far as we check, there's nothing else in the system, and we're going to go forward with this eviction. I'm going to check again.
This is when he ended up going to the car, all the time and muting out stuff, right? But this is part I didn't catch on my camera yet either because I hadn't had it up.
Why y'all being so evil? Y'all know y'all the ones wrong. That's why you don't want to take me to court. Everything's paid. So what are you evicting me for?
Don't ask me.
I don't even know.
I'm not the one that petitioned this, so I can't tell you that.
What are they evicting me for? July's paid. My rent's paid.
I couldn't tell you that, sir.
So nobody's got any paperwork to tell me why I'm being evicted. I haven't been to court to be heard about the rent thing. So I don't get it. What are you going to have to do? You going to put me out right here? What are you going to do? You're going to physically remove me, right? Is that what you're going to do? That's what you're gonna do. I have spinal cord injury, traumatic brain injury. I can't shield myself. I can't move. I got no muscles. I can barely stand up. I'm a fucking miracle of what I'm doing. And you tell me you're gonna kick me out over some crap that y'all can't even justify. I haven't had a chance in court. So how am I supposed to be taking it? You just keep harassing me.
He's double checking with the courts right now to make sure there's not anything pending.
I'm supposed to have a court date. Don't need all y'all to come take me out here. Shit's crazy.
Remember, he don't even know why he's there. How you get a call and not know why?
What's your first name, sir?
You should know who you're serving, right?
So I'm here to assist. I just want to be able to speak to you. But
That should have been discussed. My name's not relevant, sir. It's just, this is all wrong. And to harass somebody like me with the TBI and all this other PTSD and shit over some crap that doesn't even make sense and they scared to even just take me to court. Why the lawyer pull the thing from the court? If they're right.
See? Don't know my name, don't know anything, y'all. Come on, man. Different districts.
Okay, y'all. So
They pay them.
Thursday.
All right, and that part y'all know.
These little witches, hey, what's up? They're not. Matter of fact, where's he?
Go on
I'll
your
go
side
back.
and give you an order. Then
So
what's
y'all
gonna
can see the
happen, you're gonna
entrance.
ask them to give you an order.
I'm supposed to have a hearing. What are you talking about?
I already told you.
So what do you? No, you're not. You're not kicking me out of no damn.
We're going to go inside.
No, you're not. You don't have my permission. I have a paper to show you. I have a paper to show
Okay,
you.
so
you wait. I'll be here.
No,
You're
we're going to go outside.
not coming in.
We're going
You know you're not. You better get the fuck off me.
Go.
You can't see at that angle, but that's when I turn to the side. You see the door opens where it's open, so I still got to come back this way. But because my movement disorder, I went past different trying to reach, and that's when he bumped me from going and where I had to squeeze through him to just get through the
Don't
door.
do that,
Y'all
sir.
see this?
Don't do
He's
that.
talking about don't do that. Don't do that. What am I doing? What am I doing? Y'all, these people really here trying to put me out. Where you going? Hey!
I just saw a shadow, y'all.
This was filed on Friday. Where's your paper to put me out? Matter of fact, where's your paper?
As a matter of fact, I'm gonna be in you the paper that the judge said that if you didn't put the money
Where's
on the
my,
registry,
where's my paper?
I don't know. That's for you to
What do
get.
you mean you don't know? You
That's
just
your
read this, right?
That's
this is
your-
legit, right?
You know what
This
it
is
says?
filed.
You know what it says?
It was filed. It was
Are you
filed.
understanding what I'm saying?
So I have to have a hearing. You don't have any paperwork, any notice.
Yes, sir.
You should know. Y'all should know where you're going. That
Again.
VA protested.
Why?
So these motherfuckers ain't scaring me. But look, y'all gotta see this shit. Brandon or Oasis apartment. Riverview, Florida. I'm not leaving. You're gonna have to force me, and you're gonna have to deal with all my body injuries. So we're gonna have it like that.
What's your name, sir?
See, they're just discussing what's his name. They don't know. Neither one, none of them know. And they're gonna try that statement, right? You're gonna have to, because I filed all the legal paperwork. You can't just come in my place with no paperwork and drag me up out here like I'm some prisoner. I'm some slave. That's my whole point of it.
Yes, sir.
You should know. Y'all should know where you're going.
Hey, I was in the army too.
Okay, so that means nothing now.
Okay, what do you do in the military?
That has nothing to do with anything now.
I'm trying to relate with you.
You can't. If you're here to put me out, you can't.
Okay.
With no paperwork, no nothing, just because these racist ass witches over here mad because I reported them for spraying on the check,
I went
waiting
through
on
that.
the court. No, the lawyer, not the court, sent me some paperwork saying because I didn't submit rent into the court deposit, which the order never said I had to because it's a rent dispute. So then this guy shows up Friday morning at 6 something in the morning, beating on my door, telling me I have to get out Monday. Wait, I'm due to have a hearing. It's a rent dispute.
Yeah, that sounds like a separate case though. That's
No.
not.
Oh,
it's
check out
not
this guy
related to
right
the
here,
eviction.
right?
How? I just gave you the fucking whole story, man. What are you talking
mail
about?
is
It's not
there.
related. What's not related?
mail.
I
Down
understand
there.
that you have a rent dispute, right,
There
with
you go.
the property owner, correct?
Right.
Okay, but them filing an eviction is going to be separate in relation to
Bam. Caught him.
your
This
rent
is
dispute.
why the eviction is rent.
Bradley.
So it's the same thing.
Bradley, right? Alright, listen.
I ain't snooping up a mail, man. That's why y'all ain't supposed to be up in here. See, man, they snooping up a
You have
mail.
an eviction, right?
No, I don't. I have a court hearing.
Hear me out for a sec. I'll listen to you, right?
I'm not going nowhere. I'm telling you that. Y'all break these bones, do whatever you want. I'm not.
Right.
Nobody's just putting me out of
Right.
here. You guys are out of your mind.
You're gonna make, listen, if it's an eviction, you're being evicted at that point.
I don't get a notice for eviction.
After that,
What's the notice? What's the notice? How many days would I get for eviction?
See, you done weasel this fat ass over there, looking in my briefcase again. They don't have any paperwork. They're trying to say it's not an eviction. That's a separate matter, but then they say they're here for eviction.
Once we post it, you have 24 hours to vacate the residence.
That's not that one didn't say that. But how? So am I not serving anyone before that? Do I not get anything from the court before this? Right? Doesn't tell me a date when. Tell me amount I owe. Nothing. I don't get anything. Just you guys showing up saying I gotta go.
Bradley, is there someone else inside the residence?
No. No, you can't look. There's no one else.
Okay, because earlier I mentioned you talking to someone saying, where are you going? So I just want to make sure no one else is inside.
So it might go that way.
He thought he went that way.
Gotcha.
I'm just on shadows.
His nosy ass. Ooh, he got some nice stuff. Can't wait to get my hands on it.
Hey, y'all out there? They blocked me out. Look, I already know I'm the enemy of the state because I'm the only fucking veteran with the balls to stand up there despite everything I have in front of the VA and protest and call this government for not treating us, letting us die. Because I'm speak up for my fucking neighbors.
Look at the paperwork under that pink,
Look.
pink sheet.
Look, I read through this. I had other people, legal experts read through this. Where's my stuff from the judge saying, why are you even here and I'm being evicted?
No, Bradley, I tell you, we're not just gonna show the evict you.
Well, you are. You're supposed to have some paperwork, right? Don't you have warrants to enter people home?
right
You're
there.
telling me something I have? How do you know what I have?
It's right there, dude.
How do you know what I have?
I'm not gonna go back and forth with you. We're not
Then just shut the fuck up then. Cause there's just lost respect. I'm not going there with y'all, man. I don't mean no disrespect when I talk this way. But
You were
it's
assault first class in
frustrating.
the army.
Man,
That's how
don't you
treat
try
people.
no fucking stand-ups with me, bitch.
I will.
Okay. Fuck you.
Okay.
Man, see, y'all see, this is what he get. He want to try to hold a million. I stand up. Your coward ass don't stand up for no one. Where's my paperwork? And you want to stand here and lie, try to go come in with this honor shit? Shut the fuck up.
That's how you feel. That's okay.
That's how I feel. I do. I can pick up on people like that. Over here.
So let's
That's my
go
truck.
a little bit more.
Dude, I'm supposed to straight harassment. My civil rights, my disability rights, everything. I don't know what they're gonna do. They're gonna drag my ass up out of here? I don't know.
He want to drag his ass next to you. He on the phone.
TBI, anxiety, depression. Remember that, y'all. Also, that ticks organic nature. So I just say some shit sometimes, just come out, right? Like Tourette's or something. Heart, digestive, spinal cord, all 3 levels. Muscle skeletal, nerve damage, both arms, both legs. Why are you talking over me, sir, in my house? See, and so this is, man, I'm telling you, dude, this crooked here. This is crooked. This is straight crooked.
Alright, thanks. Bye.
That's why I'm telling y'all keep want to cry about this and they should treat me. You okay when they treat Trump a certain way? You don't understand that shit gonna come back on you. And all these motherfuckers like this gonna come in and just enforce bullshit. Everything's paid. I have a right to a hearing, and the judge has to grant that. But they're out here in between there with no paperwork, telling me I have the paperwork. If I'm running things, you bitches get the fuck out of my apartment. And so what are we proposing to do? What's gonna happen here?
Well, at this point, sir, that deputy that originally you spoke to is triple checking through the courts to make sure that what
Triple
you're saying is
checking.
not accurate, okay?
No, he said that's not accurate.
No, that,
So
whether it's accurate
that
or
is not accurate. So if the chances is, why are y'all in my apartment? Because it is accurate, and it has been filed.
Okay, so we're gonna move with the move out part, right? I already knew they had a plan, y'all, but paperwork's on my side. There's no way possible they can do this. Paperwork's on my side, right? He's not gonna come back with nothing that's gonna be able to contradict what I had or overturn what I had.
It works for nothing. Absolutely nothing, man.
These guys wondering what the hell, right? They go silent. And they go silent. There we go. And so we gotta go on because y'all seen a lot of more of it. He's just waiting out. We go to about 34 minutes, I think, about the arrest report, right? So it's key because he
301 South in Crescent Park. It's going to be a Michigan Echo.
so they had their shit off all this time talking. They don't know.
Whiskey 5713 on a gray Mercedes SL 550.
Then we, the sheriff's office, may affect the eviction. That's what's happening.
We may affect the eviction. Words are key.
Ten 10:58, 10:29 hours.
What was the date for your court? I don't have one. Yeah, that's the whole point. And that's our point as well. They didn't set a court.
It's a setup, right? It's a lesson learned. I can see it coming. I already saw it when I first stepped out and saw how they were standing where I would go back up, that it would be a confrontation. That's why I just decided to stay, hoping they would slip and I could slip back up there, right?
Unit 837, 10:49 1020.
But see, they could have stopped me up here. They could have stopped me up here where Mean is filming from. They waited till I got to that door to crowd me in that way. That's why you see all of them, all 5 of them around me. Close me in. I can't turn anywhere. I can't go anywhere. This guy pushing me. This guy's shifting over to bump me because he's fatter than the other one.
Here we go. Here we
See,
go.
he lets me walk.
Here we go. It's about to happen. I watch tomorrow. Here we go.
10:15.
Sir, you can't go back.
Here we go. Dude, you're going back in there. You're done. Do you see this, y'all? You see it?
What authority?
Locked out. This is the ass over here. I told y'all. I spotted him. He locked me up our apartment. No, you're not doing it.
The evictions is gonna take place. We don't want you to go to jail. We don't want you to go to
You ain't got
jail.
no choice.
Can I tell
You don't have a choice, but I'm not getting any help. I got spinal cord injury, TBI, sleep apnea. You can
Look at that face, y'all. Look at that face. He is ready.
supply me all that bullshit I need, okay? I'm not going no fucking where.
Can I tell you what the remedy is? This is what I would
The
do.
court don't handle it. There's no remedy. I'm denying my right to be heard.
But
I filed the paperwork was filed. You here with nothing saying I need to be out now. What is this? My glasses right in there.
It's a court.
Let me see
They're
it.
going to bring everything
Let
out.
me see it.
What do you want to see? There's a copy of it that was on the door. You didn't.
That said nothing. What do you have?
The eviction notice.
Let me have it. What is it? Don't I get a copy? Y'all, no copy, no nothing, right?
The eviction notice. But they trespassed me. Eviction notice. Trespass. Civil, criminal.
Did you get? There was a.
You got a copy of the copy.
Did I?
It's over there.
Yeah.
Did I?
You did.
No,
It's over
a
there.
copy from the court.
No, that's what this
That's
is.
what
You see how he cut through there, try to make me bump on him? Look, now look at him, this one. He gets in position. Ah, try it.
Now you want to be the one to block me.
This is what's gonna
I ain't
happen.
touching you. You're touching.
Now where I reached was here. See that hand that left that doorway? That's why what this guy did, he slid over. That's all I did.
Listen, move.
Listen, tell you right now.
You're right, we done.
Move. Listen.
Bam. Bam. There it goes. See, I wouldn't step to him. It looked like at the other angle they're going to try to argue, but look.
You in my face. Move. Here we go, y'all. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
That wasn't me. Baez already just said arrest him.
All my stuff is in my glasses, my wallet.
They're gonna bring all that stuff up to you.
No, do it, man.
Yeah, they are.
No.
Yeah, they will.
They're not. Here we go, y'all. My phone. Give my phone, please.
We're gonna hold on to it. Don't worry.
Now they're going to bring all my stuff out to me, but I'm in handcuffs. What is, what? You already arrested me.
It's gonna go with you. Just relax.
Move my phone, please.
You got pockets?
No, sorry.
Hold on to it. Hold on to it. Let me hold on to your. Let me hold on to your
Give me
cigarettes.
my phone. Don't touch my phone. He turned my phone off. Give me.
Don't drop it. I don't want you to break your phone,
He
okay?
turned my phone off.
So your phone is on. Your phone
He
is on.
turned the off. Don't tell me something I don't
Let me take
know.
the lighter out your hand.
She's the manager.
What am I evicted for? What am I evicted
I
for?
don't want you to drop it.
What am I evicted for? What am I evicted for?
Hold on.
What am I evicted for,
That's the manager.
Savannah? You in burning hell, girl? Telling you.
Man, I just secure the locker. You can secure it from there. Go ahead.
Veteran rights. Give me my phone. I need to call veteran rights. I need to call veteran courts. Give me my phone. Give me my phone,
You need him
dude.
anymore?
Give me my phone, dude.
Do you need him any longer?
Dude, I'm gonna put in a movement disorder, you stupid ass.
We're not. That's
Jeez,
fine. That's
we're
fine.
not
We need the wall.
It's a
We need the
movement
wall.
disorder.
We need you to walk. Go ahead and walk.
It's a movement disorder. You start by you
You
triggering.
need to go ahead and start walking. Start walking. Come walk in this way. Come walk.
I know you can walk,
You need to
sir.
start walking.
Bradley, you were doing it earlier.
I'm not going anywhere. Y'all violating my rights.
I'm not violating you.
Yes, you are.
This is an eviction. This is
Bradley.
a legal eviction done.
Let me see it.
You've got a copy.
I know. You were supposed to be bringing me what
that was posted.
you're supposed to be bringing me what I have.
Come
Stop.
Do you need any medical attention? Do you need any medical attention?
Yeah, I sure do.
Alright,
I sure do.
let's get you on the stairs. At least you can sit down on the stairs.
No, I gotta sit. No sit. All 3 levels, my spine and stuff too.
Okay, just lean up against the stairwell then. I don't want you holding yourself up with
It's
your
just hard to keep my balance, so that makes
Okay,
it work.
okay. We're getting paramedics on the way.
I don't need no paramedics. I need,
You know, I'm when you broke out the EMS taking or not taking?
Not today.
That's one thing I know my challenges I really have. See, they're trying to make me walk at their level and pace. I can't. My legs, my body doesn't work like that. Internally, I'm telling myself when to move, when to stop, how to turn, and it's still a struggle. So that's why all that triggers like that. And
26.
wow.
Bradley,
No
you wanna
right.
sit down with
No,
the judge
no,
if you're having
no.
such a hard time?
No, let go. I'm not. What do I move? I can't run.
I'll probably
Shit,
wait
I
for
can
you.
barely stand on my own.
He's not gonna.
Damn. No, they ain't got no paperwork.
How about BR5? Are you on this unit?
okay, that's men walking away, going to get his car.
I got your phone, Bradley.
Spinal cord injury, traumatic brain injury, PTSD, is anxiety, is depression. It is all 3 levels of my spinal cord, it is my vision, my motor skills, my fucking heart, nerve, there's all parts of my body.
Okay.
That's
the
what
exact
it is.
reason why we need EMS to come take a look at you.
You bitches gonna pay, y'all gonna pay in hell for that one, y'all know y'all wrong. So, I mean, you don't even know what you even did for.
Mr. Bradley, would you rather stand out here or we want to sit in my car?
I can't sit down.
Okay, that's
Can't
fine.
do nothing wrong. I gotta
That's
do.
fine.
What about on the staff?
No. All 3 levels of my spinal cord and my spine are damaged severely.
I'm clearly telling them all the struggles. Clearly.
I need veteran service. I need my phone back, please.
I have your phone. I have security.
I would like it.
You're not going to hold on to it while you're in custody.
In custody or arrest. In custody or arrest. I don't know. That's the same thing? They tell me they're gonna bring all that out. I'm in handcuffs.
They block people going in physically.
Again, Baez running it, so why is he arresting me? And they go mute, right? Baez is arresting me. Why is he arresting me? Baez came out and served, wrote the paper he served, said I pushed the other guy. It went mute on him, y'all. Again, see, he's got some single sheet of paper right there. See, and then the yellow one. But this one's filled out. That's the paper. That's not papers like they were referring under the pink copy. That's the copy. He said he put it on the door. This motherfucker live, bruh. They already looking at him. They already talking about his ass, talking to him. They know it. Yeah, and black man, you got jacked up food too, and you fell for that shit. But y'all do that. That's what y'all do. I ain't loyal to nobody but the truth. See, Baez go back. Here's the paper. Got a few papers. What he's asking this guy. Remember, now no one has, all of a sudden has those papers again. So, we go around to the car. Oh, here we go. What's going on now? What's the door open? Oh, I don't see you doing it. Oh, I hear the papers. Oh, you're hoping I didn't see you. That's why you stepped off. Now you're getting back to the car. Look, man. They did a straight drug deal, y'all. Right? Hey, I ain't gonna hand it to you because they see us. We good. We in trouble. What? Right? But nah, you just reach in the car and you get it. Drug deal. I forgot. Sue say, what? You can play, but you can't get caught. Oh man, can't get caught. You gotta pick them papers up yourself. See, now he's telling this dude what to write. He don't know what the hell is even going on. What are they arresting me for? He ain't figured it out. Again, now the prosecutors keep saying these two separate things, or the defense, whatever, all of them together, right? Two separate things, civil, criminal. Yeah. It's civil because all you motherfuckers criminals. That's why you shouldn't have never did this. But they did. And it is what it is, and we're doing what we do. Okay, so I'm still up here with them. And I'll show you another video later, y'all, but you're gonna ever see this. No. Who read me my rights? No damn body. So when he finally gets his stuff together, his lies, and gets me in the car, right? I'm gonna show y'all the struggle I really have on another shot of this. Maybe he's on this, I'm not sure. Let's see. Yeah, he's in here for a minute. So I'm gonna skip through a little bit. Yeah, see, he's in there for a while, y'all. I'm still standing out here now. Now he gets form out, starts filling out. Wait, he handed that to somebody, didn't he? That's him or somebody reaching across. That's someone reaching across from me, isn't it? Probably by half. Oh, okay. No, yeah, look how you showing. Okay, something's weird. There's a shadow there in the windshield. Now see, that's his two hands. He's got that wristband on. Yeah, he has it off. See, now it's empty. Okay, whatever. Police work, whatever y'all want to call it. But I point out everything because someone out there, there's a lot of smart people out here that see shit, right? So I'm just going to point it out. Looks odd to me, I'm going to point it out. CMTs. Sorry, I got to keep bringing this up because they mess with my videos. They mess with the suits. They mess with us now, boy. They tried to shut us straight down. So we're trying to get this all out there to y'all. And I messed up, right? So, because now I'm in the car. Again, he's still got his mute on. But yeah, don't worry, Sue. I'm pull out of that one. That I made, panic. Sometimes you panic in a state, and I learned a lot listening to Sue's videos, man. And so I just got to get. It'll be all right. But I should have just stayed calm. We can't panic in this, y'all. We gotta trust the people who's been through it and standing out there and willing to do this, man. Call them out. Oh, I don't like the way you talk. Well, you ain't gotta fucking like it. Right is right. So let's go. Come on, dude. When you gonna turn your shit back on? Right? Now this dude, I'll tell y'all, he go through my wallet. He takes everything out. Everything. And he ends up, I think the other video, first video showed where he gives stuff to the neighbor. And the neighbor, now, of course, yeah, cool with me, but the neighbor didn't know. You see him later, he went into the apartment, and so he put that stuff back there, not knowing they're going to get rid of it. So, let's go. Medicare card. I got TRICARE, Medicare, and VA care, and DO care, but nobody cares. Can't get any health care, but they taking my money.
We're gonna get going. I just gotta clear your wallet.
Man, come on, man. Everything is mine. I know you're not inventorying. I can see what you're doing.
Yeah, because my body camera's recording it, sir. My body camera's rolling. It's gonna be able to see if I'm messing with your stuff or anything like that. Come on now. I don't got time to do that. I know, we're gonna get going. Well, because we told you what you needed to do and you didn't want to comply. It's simply put.
I asked him, why am I being arrested? That's what his answer was. I didn't do what they told me to do.
That's the civil side of it. We don't have a say in that. We got court orders. We have court orders. We posted the eviction. You refused to leave and vacate the area. Therefore, there you got arrested for the trespass.
That's what I was trying to tell him he could do now.
That's stuff you can't take to the jail.
He could do now rather than this. Now what's going to happen is he's going to waste his time for aggravating hours in jail.
Can I get manager's information really quick?
See, he went and got her bias, told him, you get the manager's info. See, this guy don't even know still why he's there.
In here, however, property
Nader, N-A-D-U-R.
Why?
it's not theirs.
Date of birth?
June 17th,
They only have
1996.
two things they can do with it. They can store it.
What's a good phone number?
Or they have to put it out on
693
legal curtilage.
2137.
An area that is basically
What's a good address I can put?
not owned by them.
The address is going to be,
just somewhere in
like
curtilage.
your property address?
No, your home address.
3520 Monarch Breeze Drive,
Or
apartment
they
number.
can store it.
Do you need my apartment number?
Yes.
211.
For storage if they wanted to. But that's up to the
This doesn't go to anybody, right?
No, this is just pertaining to your
River
profile.
D, Florida 33578. Hey, you're comfortable with me trespassing him, right?
She just called. Maybe the lawyer, I don't know, peers concern, whatever. You're comfortable with me trespassing him, right? See? Plan. They're waiting around still. No one's in it yet. So, again, they knew they couldn't.
Already dressed.
I'm doing it now. Thank you.
Okay, manager, Yep, got everything. Okay.
No, he was evicted today. When you're evicted today.
Hey, I need you to do me a thing.
What's up?
Tell that guy to call the Veterans Crisis Hotline.
Okay.
I ain't know who to call, y'all. I just
And do what?
Report that I'm being arrested. They know my medical history and my mental history.
Okay.
I need help.
Let me let him know real quick.
So here we go, y'all.
Oh, yes. Perfect. Yes, I do. However, I'm a little busy with an investigation right now. Could I give you a call back? Okay, I'll give you a call back probably within the next hour or so.
What's your son's name?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Don't take my moving around, bro. I can't stay still long, right?
Oh, Mr. Bolden, I got no issue with it. I understand that. That's why
Y'all have to even do that. I wouldn't fight none of y'all.
I know.
You know, this is totally wrong. How come I don't get a hearing for anything? What kind of cricket diligence stuff is this?
I don't make up those procedures,
I know, right?
you know.
That's when I talked to my attorney Friday, he wrote up the paper. He said, all you gotta do is show him this show that it was filed. It was emergency motion.
Yeah, well,
So, it's just crazy how this is.
clearly there's a disconnect between what your attorney thinks and what the judge thinks.
No, this stuff was filed in paper, in the court.
Right, I understand that.
So why
But
don't I get anything from the court itself?
you gotta ask the judge that.
So my arrest is for what now?
Trespassing after warning.
What's the warning? And what does that mean? I was warned Friday, you saying?
No, you were notified that you were being evicted today, but you refused to be evicted essentially, and that's why you're taking.
No one, there was no date on that court paper. The one the lawyer said, there's no date.
Mr. Bolden, we tried to explain to you on multiple occasions that you were being evicted today. It's happening right now.
Right,
But
there's no notice.
But you willfully said yourself that you weren't leaving anywhere, and you also tried to force your way back into the property when it was already transferred over.
It wasn't transferred over. You guys lied.
You know, you don't know the law, but it don't make sense. Like Sue said, God-given law. No, transferred over. Wasn't transferred over. And then he's gonna show his Sue yellow self, y'all. Again, I'm gonna call every motherfucking racist, prejudiced person, whatever color. But just say, hey, your name, then you good. This yellow motherfucker.
You guys lied. That's really wrong.
And that's fine. And so
I knew I would have grabbed my wallet and stuff before I left out. If I knew you, that's what I'm saying. I could have grabbed my glasses. Where was I going? Shit, this is why I can't move because I can't move. That's all.
look, I'm not arguing that. I'm not arguing against the fact that you can't move. I firmly believe that. But what I'm getting to is just the fact that you were notified multiple times that eviction is happening, but you refuse to cooperate with that, okay? And because of that, you were placed under arrest.
But that's not true.
It is true. I have it all on camera. All of your dialogue, all of your body movements, all of your gestures, how you spoke, it's all recorded.
That's okay. I recorded that too, so what's the
That's
problem?
fine.
Do you notice what he's saying, y'all? All your gestures, all your body, your tone, everything. You see what's going on? They try to use this to put you. This is why they're trying that mental shit. This is what they're using, y'all. This is a normal. This is a normal reaction with all the shit I got. Matter of fact, without everything I got, it's a normal reaction.
That's fine. I understand that. I understand that. All I'm saying is, if we have, and understand, we don't have a say. When a judge gives us paperwork to go serve it, we do nothing but serve it. That's our job at that moment.
Why don't I get to see the paper? Don't tell me
The same paper that we had in our hand.
Today, right?
Was there a notice posted on your door 3 days ago?
Wait, he just said the paper we had in our hand. He slipped up, see? Because he had a paper in his hand. Then he gonna jump and catch himself, go the notice 3 days ago. Come on, man.
Or no, today's Wednesday. So 6 days ago. Okay, but that was your initial notice.
That was only notice. It said move out Monday. It said final notice. I never heard anything Friday.
Correct. And today's Wednesday, is it not? The paperwork advised for you to be out of the residence by Monday. Today's Wednesday.
Well, that's the whole point of going to court, though, right?
I understand that.
To say you got to go out in 30
and I
days,
understand.
whatever.
Right, and so I'm telling you
just
that.
to show up and put me out with my condition, that's crazy.
And
There's
so
some stuff going on. That's crazy.
I can't control those circumstances.
I know you can't, but it's
This is simply because
trying to rationalize stuff, but you know it don't make sense.
I'm not rationalizing anything, okay? But understand, in terms of criminal law, this is what I'm obligated to do. I don't have a say in whether or not it's right or wrong, or if it's efficient or inefficient.
I'm arrested for not leaving my property, but that's the bottom line. That's a shame that can happen. When my rent is up to date, when I did all the paperwork fairly to do court, and it's just a shame that can happen, right? This is where we're going with all this political offended shit. This is where it's going. Everybody getting their rights taken away and don't even understand it. And we got people willing to enforce it. I know you can't do because your job, man. I'm not saying that like that, but you know, it's man, we gotta fucking wake up, man. This absolutely. There's no legal reason they have me evicted. None. You can't say I missed August rent because you didn't take it, first of all, and August not over.
And understand what I'm trying to get at is that's between the property manager and the courts.
10322, 1132, y'all send court.
That's right, that's what I'm saying. That's why how do I get involved before they get involved? Before I get it, I mean, it's just a simple matter. And I'm going to jail. I mean, without a hearing, without any trial. Violation of rights. Wow.
I advise that you make sure you inform all of your circumstances when you have your court date in reference to this arrest, okay?
My papers all in the house. I told you, that's why I said I asked you guys, I wanted you to be out, I could have grabbed my stuff before I went out and smoked my doggone cigarette.
No. If you
Here we show his shoe colors, right? Yellow motherfucker. He think I'm black, I ain't.
if you would have been willing to do that, I think you would have done that in the beginning.
No, because I asked, can I get, that's why I asked, can I get back in? If I had to plan that, I wouldn't have asked you. I would have just went back in like nothing.
No.
That was my intention. So I purposely asked. I don't want to cause no conflict with y'all.
No, if that was the case,
See,
then
you're
you would have
assuming stuff, man.
complied.
I'm telling you, me. This is me. There's no other agenda I have.
Okay.
I'm not, so you don't assume anything I am other than what I'm saying.
Did you not make multiple statements that we would have to forcibly remove you?
Yes, what you did.
Because you weren't going anywhere.
Right, this is what you did, right?
Okay.
You handcuffed me, so you forcibly removed me.
Yeah, because at that point we had to, after giving you several opportunities to comply.
Comply with what?
With being evicted.
What was I supposed to do? Call a moving truck? How long did I have to go somewhere? Was any of this explained to me?
You didn't let us get to that point.
You didn't. You had nothing said.
No, honestly, you didn't let us get to that point.
You had.
Because it was on a
you gave me
repeat.
no paper.
All you repeatedly stated was, "I'm not going anywhere. You know, you guys can forcibly remove me. I'm not leaving my property."
That guy said I was leaving today.
You're not exactly.
You said that I was leaving today. So what
Correct.
you talking about? So what's the point of me asking for any time?
Exactly. So at the end of it all, you didn't have any intention on being evicted or complying with the eviction. That's why you're being placed under arrest.
There was nothing to comply.
That's fine, and that's what you can believe.
That's what the paperwork says.
Very well, if that's what
why
you
put show me
believe.
theirs.
If that's what you believe.
No, it's not.
I can guarantee you, we would not.
I guarantee you haven't even seen the shit.
We would not be knocking. I did. I actually did review it. Yep.
Who's the judge? What judge signed off on my paper?
I didn't see what judge signed on your paper.
See, and then he didn't know my name either, right? That motherfucker, man.
See, you don't have to do. Come on. I got trucking PTSD and TBI, and I'm smarter than most of you motherfuckers out here.
That you are.
Because I know how to read. That's it, and comprehend. I don't go by what somebody tell me, I go what's in writing. In writing, you have no reason to even be arresting me. Kick me out, let alone kick me out my own apartment. This is some civil shit gonna really go out. And I told him, let it go peacefully. And I got to go on kind of. I ain't no race player card, but I'm definitely gonna use it to my favor. Now, yeah, you can record that, because it is what it is. They've shown that. Look, I'm thirsty.
Yep, you'll get water once you get in.
Now my mouth, my numbness includes my mouth, face, and tongue, so it's hard to talk, right? So it's, my taste buds time hearing. So that's why I'm saying that. Right. Everything I tell you 100% true. So I'm not trying to get no pity numbers, nothing.
Whatever unit is 51, you have to switch them up. Control.
One black male for booking.
I'm not black. I'm indigenous American.
I told y'all. People say, "Oh man, I said this or I said that." Man, I say what I say.
So when you fill out your race portion on any kind of voting poll or any kind of official documentation, what do you click? You select black, do you not? You click other? Okay, and then what do you write in the line to explain your race then?
Indigenous American.
Okay.
See, because black ain't the color. If I go around calling you yellow, how is that? Ain't that offensive? But we go around and let the government keep us calling each other black and white. We ain't fucking color. We all people.
No, I agree with that.
Separate. I don't call myself nothing but a person.
Okay.
You know?
Whoa. It's busy in there.
I guess I get the handicap access.
I'm reminding his ass.
Try and get you out quick.
Right? Try to get me out quick. You trespassed me knowing I had 3 days. Something ain't right, right? This it, y'all. Again, we blasted them before court. They won't let us speak in there. We're going to be heard now. I love y'all. Thanks for the support. Peace to you all.